So friends, let's see today's lovely simple Tondli Bhaji or Tendli Bhaji. Now here I've taken a quarter kilo or 250 grams of tendli. I've soaked it in water, to which I've added salt for about 15 minutes, washed it really well. And now I'm just going to take off the ends of the tondli like this. Ensure that you wash the tondli really well. That's why I like to soak it in some water, to which I add about a teaspoon of salt and then wash it well under running water. So this is a closer look of how to chop it up really fine. You can just stack them up one on top of the other. If you're a beginner, then you can do each tondli, cut it up finely like this. Use a nice sharp serrated knife. So in this way, we're going to chop this quarter kilo of tondli. Cut it fine, because with the finer it is, it cooks faster. Now in a pan, I've taken about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once our oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohori or rye, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, half a teaspoon of asafoetida, and half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. So this spoon that I'm using is a half teaspoon measure, which comes in the masala box. And now I'm going to add our chopped up tondli or tendli and mix it really well. Well, this vegetable is called by many names. There's Tindora, then Tondli itself, the Maharashtrian way is saying Tondli. Some people say Tendli. Let me know what you call it in your, at home in the comment section below. And now I'm just going to cover the dish and I'm going to add some water, say about a quarter cup of water. This will help the cooking process. Now, after every 2 minutes, you can just lift the lid. Be extremely careful if you're a beginner. And then you can pour a little of this water. Now we're using, drinking water. So there's no harm in pouring the water. And the water is nice and hot. And now after some time, about 2 or 3 minutes, you will find that all the water on the lid is dried up. But do keep checking it. And now you can press 1 or 2 of the tondlis with your spoon, and if they break very easily, that means it's cooked really well. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. Say about 1/4 of a teaspoon, because the quantity is very less. If you want to make more, then you can just double the ingredients. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of red chili powder. Again, you can adjust the spiciness according to your taste. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of homemade goda masala or kala masala. I'll leave a link to how I make this at home. It's very simple. And then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of jaggery or jaggery or gur. Mix everything really well. And then you're just going to cover it and cook it for about just 1.5 minutes on a low to medium flame. And then I'm just going to add some freshly grated coconut. And that's it, guys. Our tendli or tondli vegetable is ready. This goes very well with some puri or chapati or some rice and amti or dal. So I hope you liked today's short and sweet recipe, one of our daily, vegetable recipes. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Do visit my channel. I've got more than 800 recipes. I've made different playlists. So if you go to my homepage, you'll see something called playlist. Click on that and you'll see all the different playlists that I've created. And you can go and visit, see the recipe that you want. Also in the description box, I'll leave all the different recipes that you can, check out and make. And I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshrita signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.